What's good, y'all? So yeah, as some of y'all know, I live in Houston and it snowed, which is crazy. I think like the last time like snowed like this bad was probably like in 2008 or 9. Yeah, and this video, my goal is to survive and not die on the way to the gym. I'm gonna try to make it to the gym, hopefully perfectly fine, I don't crash. And it'll be an adventure. Hopefully not, but hopefully so, so it can be like a fun little video. Yeah. Just in case, I got my tire chains right here. Hopefully I don't need them because I'm too lazy to put them on, but yeah, let's go. Okay, so far so good. Now, I've driven in snow before, and the secret is to kind of like just keep moving at a steady pace so you don't stop or get stuck and start sliding all over the place. And somebody's driving slow in front of me right now, so I might get stuck, yay. All right, yeah, they kind of sped up a little bit, but here they are, Okay, so change of plans. I saw somebody sledding on the snow and I thought they looked fun. So right now I'm headed to my cousin's house and we're gonna tie something to the back of the truck and go sledding.
Like a lean back or like trapping it this side up, you slide even better. You're ready.
The fun police showed up. All right, so I just got done playing in the snow. Now back to my adventure of going to the gym. Honestly, during that time, like the roads actually got like a little bit better. So I'm driving way better right now. I'm not really sliding all over the place. All right, so for this workout, I'm going to go for one single that's about 90% of my current max, which is 585. So I'm gonna go to around 526, but yeah, I decided to just go up to 530. Yep, and somebody just turned on their fucking loud music. Okay. $45. All right, so here we got some seated cable rows. I like doing these, and I don't like to go too heavy because for these I like to go more for the form and the reps to kind of feel the burn on my back and have it more defined and toned. Here I am doing more rows. I don't know, I just love doing rows. I didn't record all of it because my bike had actually died. So I kind of just picked up after I like switched it out. On these, I'm going up to 4 plates. And I don't do too many reps, honestly, because I feel I'm going pretty heavy. So I like the highest I went was like 5 reps. All right, so here I am doing the T-bar row. And yeah, I'm doing it pyramid style, which basically means start from like a even number. So I started at 10. And every time I add like another plate, I do like 2 less sets. So it's like 10, 8, 6, and then finally 4 for your heaviest set.
the gym is really packed right now. And I get shy to talk around people. Yep, but then a pyramid set is my last set. I'm gonna do 4 reps. I feel like the mirror's a catfish. I don't look this big. Start with a 16. Just so y'all know, I never train arms. The reason I could have extremely skinny calves. And if I have huge arms, it's gonna make it look like I have a huge upper body and extra skinny legs. Even though I can squat like 500 pounds.
All right, so here's me after all my workouts with like a little pump. Yeah, if you do all these workouts, you should look exactly like this, even if it's your first workout ever. 100% guaranteed. Just kidding. But yeah, like right here I was trying to flex my back, but honestly, I kept on getting cramps. I guess maybe I trained too hard or did too much heavy weight. So, I still try to flex the best I could. All right, guys, so that was my workout. Thank you for watching. Yeah, the gym was kind of like a little bit too packed, so I wasn't like too comfortable recording my workouts. Like I said, I'm kind of like barely starting recording myself like in public, so I still get like a little bit shy and stuff. So I recorded what I could. I didn't record like every single workout, but kind of like most of it, like the gist of it. So I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'm gonna go eat a pizza now.